Hey guys, I hope you had a great Memorial Day and enjoyed the day off. Just wanted to touch base regarding this week. So in our initial discussion, we're going to be talking about just project management in general. And one of the things I would like for you to think about as you're considering the issues and topics is the concept of a virtual team. And what we're seeing more and more for the instructional designer role is that you're not working with people that are in your physical department. Now, sometimes that happens, but sometimes we have dispersed networks of people that we work with. And so in the current literature, there's a lot of attention around shared leadership. And that means that everybody shares responsibility and accountability. People move in and out of the leadership role. But as the project manager, you still have oversight over moving the project forward. And so how do you do that? How do you relate to the team members, keep them engaged, knowing that shared leadership is probably something they're going to be used to if they are used to working with virtual teams. Also consider any cultural differences, especially if we have a global virtual team. What are expectations around leadership and the facilitator really taking on that role and kind of having more of a top-down approach. So just be thinking about those things. In our second discussion, we're talking about your charter for your project. One way to think about the charter is that it is your document. This is your living, breathing document that says exactly what you're going to do. It's your contract with the team, so that if someone comes up later and says, no, we should have been focusing on something else, or no, we're including whatever, you go back to that and you say, no, this is the contract that we have to complete the work. Now, there are times the contract changes, but generally speaking, once it's done and everybody's had a chance to shake hands and say yes and agree, that's your thing that you're moving forward with. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week, guys.